Welcome back! If you want to learn how to hold a brush pen and the different levels of pressure, just keep on watching.
How to hold a brush pen.
Holding a brush pen in a correct position can help you improve your lettering and maximize the life of your pen as well. It means less frayed tips and less money spending on buying new ones. It's all about the angle that you hold your pen and arm body position. You will be able to take advantage of the pen's flexibility and draw those gorgeous thin and thick strokes. If you hold your pen too upright, the pen's tip will not bend properly.
Alignment of the paper.
Let's set up the alignment of your paper. For this, sit at your desk facing forward towards your paper. Then, rotate your paper so that you are comfortable making angle strokes. For me, I rotate my paper about 45 counterclockwise. These are small tips that you can follow and see major improvements on your drawings.
Different levels of pressure.
Hand lettering is different from writing. You'll be drawing letters, and for that, you need to take your time. You want to build up muscle memory, and the more you practice, the faster you'll get without taking too hard about when to apply pressure and how to hold your pen. A brush pen is essentially a marker with a flexible tip. When you are drawing a downstroke, you should apply firm pressure. The pen will flex on the side and place more ink into the page. On your way up, you should release the pressure to get those thin strokes. I feel like this tumble is less flexible than this tumble.
I do recommend the first option for beginners. It offers a little bit more forgiveness with pressure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.